It's time to get started. We're gonna start this off with a move I like to call Captain Cutie. Here, step back, and you just let all of the people aboard your ship know that you run it.
He's got the personality, not even gravity could ever
ride the horsey to the front. Captain Cutie.
The sexuality of a man who could take a room and drown it out.
Nay, nay, bitch, to the side.
Hey.
Down, your body good.
Now we're standing eye to eye. I wanna tell you what's on my mind.
Group to the side.
You just got me started, and I don't think I can stop it. And I don't wanna go home alone, right? Oh,
take
baby,
it up.
Baby, why can't I be honest? Kinda misusing my body, it just like this body did tonight.
Point
oh,
at the moon.
Baby.
Point at the earth. Beginning Captain Cutie.
Chemistry, you and me won't make it out this
Horse.
We should experiment even to the detriment of whoever's on the couch.
I've been there before. Head.
Inching closer to sunrise.
Hey, guess what? You're allowed to touch your body. You own it. So explore it. To the side.
You just got me started, and I don't think I can stop it. And I don't wanna go home alone, right? Oh,
take
baby,
it up.
Baby, why can't I be honest? Kinda misusing my body, it just like this body did tonight. Oh, baby,
Point. Sing it. Moon. That's the earth. Sexy scarecrow. Up. Grab. Down. Flick. Flick those crows away. Yeah. You may be made of straw, but you're sexy as hell. Hey. Group to the side. This is your last chance. Show me what you got. Take it up.
Why can't I be honest? Kinda misusing my body, it just like this body did tonight.
Point at the moon. God, you're cute. Point at the earth. It's on fire down there.